Hey F5 community, Aubrey here with DevCentral. I'm here at the Ivy Donald K. Johnson Center in downtown Toronto for today's F5 Academy, where we'll be going through an API discovery and security lab, as well as taking a tour of the new Next Access. I hope to see you here. Let's check it out. That about does it for our Toronto F5 Academy for the day, where we learned a bit about API security and discoverability, and we got to see Next Access, which is a hot topic for quite a few of our customers out there. This was a great event where we were able to really get a lot of things learned. We gave people a taste of the F5 distributed cloud environment, where they got a chance to see multi-cloud networking and web app and API security built right into the product, to see how easy it is to get started in understanding the APIs that you're serving out there today. If you missed out on this one, don't worry, there's an F5 Academy coming to a city near you. We'll include a link with the video so that you can see where you can get this kind of advanced understanding for your applications. Once again, I'm Aubrey with DevCentral. Have a great day.